What if I told you that less is actually more when it comes to Brazilian waxing? Forget the clutter of products and complicated steps, simplicity wins. Today, you'll learn a calm, minimalist method that saves time, money, and stress. Most people think perfect results need 10 products. That's a myth. Your skin actually performs best when you give it only what it needs. The minimalist approach focuses on essentials, nothing more. Less steps, less irritation, more confidence. Before waxing, start with just 2 steps, cleansing and gentle exfoliation. Clean skin helps wax grip the hair, not oil or dirt. And exfoliation keeps your skin clear, reducing breakage. Set up your space calm and clutter-free, it changes your experience. When choosing wax, keep it simple. Hard wax for sensitivity, soft wax for larger areas. Hard wax works best for Brazilian areas, no strips needed, gentle on skin. Apply with the direction of hair growth. Then pull against it quickly, close to the skin, clean and smooth. After waxing, your skin needs calm, skip heavy creams. One ingredient does it all, pure aloe vera. To prevent ingrowns, exfoliate lightly every few days. Stay consistent, and your skin stays smooth longer. So, what do you really need in your waxing kit? 1. A good quality wax. 2. A gentle cleanser. 3. Pure aloe vera gel. That's it, nothing extra, nothing unnecessary. Simplicity saves your skin, and your wallet. So now you know, in waxing, less truly is more. Prep smart, wax simply, care gently. Want smoother results without stress? You've got the method. If you found this helpful, tap like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves simple self-care.